Hi everyone, Dan here with an update on the Cherokee XJ Overland project. Behind me here you'll see the beast that I'm working on. You'll also see Maisie standing in front of the beast. And just want to show you what's going on here. Got the storage unit in pretty much. The switch panels on the side, and it's looking pretty good. Need to vacuum and clean up. Also have just roughed in the bulkhead. Got an acrylic window, so we'll be able to use the Jeep under normal conditions, be able to see through the rear view mirror. Got cutouts for the outlets on the left and right. But now I'm working on cabinets on the left and right of the Jeep to be able to fit in, pretty much shaping it along the contours of the side of the Jeep and the roof, to put in some cabinets. So essentially what we're going to have on this side is a cabinet shaped to the side of the Jeep, then across at the top, then with a top and a bottom shelf area. Then there'll be a door in the front of it that swings out inwards. The door will come out this direction, swinging inwards towards the Jeep, the inside of the Jeep, so we can access it from the outside. Likewise on the other side, it'll be the same configuration. We'll have a storage unit there. What I'm doing now is I'm actually prototyping again in cardboard. This is about the only way to do these projects, in my opinion. Just cut everything out in cardboard, get it shaped, and then you can cut it out in wood later and it'll go in pretty well. Just want to show you how this bulkhead's turning out. So this is from the rear end of the Jeep. You can see how it's all coming together. The frame is working very well. Going to have the flip-up shelves on the left and right. Got to make some adjustments to the actual mounting clips. In your Jeep, most of these Jeeps have these straps on the bottom for tie downs and so forth, but in my Jeep they're not actually in the same position, same dimension from the rear of the Jeep. So you can see there's a wider gap on this side than on the other. So I'm going to have to rethink my mounting strategy here, because I want this thing to be square 100%, exactly the same size cabinets on each side. But anyway, that's an updated picture. That's where we're at, and things are going along well. And next video will have hopefully painted and installed bulkhead along with the cabinets installed. And just another picture so you can see more accurately. I see the side of the Jeep over here with the wheel down there, and not to scale of course, but the idea is that this plywood in the front over here, the plywood in the front will be raised up about a ½ inch above the shelf in the middle, and then at the bottom about ½ inch above. So kind of like in a boat where you have some retaining wood in the front there, and then everything, we'll be able to use everything all the way to the window, and pretty much maximize the use of that storage space. So I think this is going to be a good cabinet solution. It's going to be fairly small, probably about 10 inches by 14 inches, 10 inches on the horizontal dimension and about 14 inches high. Then I'll bring the side and the front up a little bit, so there'll be a little bit of a lip there. So if you want to store a book or something up there, you'll be able to retain it. And the bulkhead, of course, is at the back here. And so that's pretty much where we're at. I think this is going to be a winning solution. So thanks everyone, and stay tuned for this the next video, which is going to be the bulkhead installed and pretty much moving this project forward.